Davao is very, very tahimik. Hi, Ma! Happy New Year!
New Year!
Happy New Year, Kong King! So, walang katao-tao ang Davao. To the beach.
I like the place.
Huh? Hi, mga loves! We're going to the beach today kahit umuulan-ulan siya. Punta kami ng beach at today is January 1, 2018. My first vlog of this year. So, punta kami ng beach. Kami nila Mudra. Ay, hindi pala salay si Mudra.
I don't want beach.
Just Kungkong and my friends. So, mga loves, we're gonna go back to Islareta.
Scared aside.
We're very excited kahit na umuulan. So, walang ulan or walang bagyong nakakapigil sa amin today. Charot. So, yun. Mga loves. Excited! Hi, mga loves! We are here now with... Uy, aboy. Atiling. Wow, sosyalera. Hello, Kuya Lai. Kong King. Oh, snabera. Uy. Okay, what are you doing? Wow, beautiful ukulele. What are you doing? Hi, mga loves. Yay! Going to Islareta with a habal-habal. Woo! Ayun. O, diba? We are here na and we are waiting for them. So, una may private property. So, ano namin diri because it's a dugong sanctuary. Over there.
Ikaw ang dugong.
And ikaw ang dugong. There you go. Dugong sanctuary. And ang dugong kay Tuara. Mga loves, we are waiting for the dugong, the original dugong king to arrive. Kinig prince lang man eh. So the original dugong king. Uy! Asa ang original? Wala si Kuya Lai? Ah, okay. Kongkong? Alright, because we are waiting for the original dugong. Kay dugong sanctuary rin. Oh, come here, King, come here. Here tayo. Aming nag-tent dito. Ooh. Nag-cry siya. So, nandito na kami sa Islareta, mga love.
Until now,
Ayan na.
di
Dami
mo
palang
alam.
tao. May birthday party pa.
Nasira ang birthday.
Kuya Lai, nag-tune. Sa Kuya Lai?
Hurts ba? Speech ko, gilabot.
Oh, kinsa na. Oh. Hi, Kong! Yung tao. King, over here lang. I am with the amazing, incredible Hulk! Okay, so nandito na kami pa rin sa beach. At anong meron?
I'm so happy.
Very happy kasi by faith.
We have faith.
Yan, nagkaroon kami ng room! Yay!
So, gaya ka-powerful si
Jesus.
Praise Jesus! Fake ba yun na smile? Hindi. Hindi yun fake na smile. Sino yan? Wala. So, maganda pa rin yung beach. Marami pa rin tao kasi January 1 ngayon. Huh?
Ayun kayo. Murag,
Kine?
parang ano pa siya, parang 2 p.m.
Magsi 6 p.m. na. So, let's find Kungkong. Wait. Kong! Kongkong! Wala si Kongkong. Kongkong! Nawala si Kongkong. Natin natin. Kongkong! Kong, where are you? Ayun si Kongkong, mga loves. Ayun. Ay, blur siya. Ayan, hindi na siya blur. Kong! Hi! What you doing? You have new friends? Huh? Okay. Here ka lang, Tipper, so we can see you. Ganda ng sun, no? Amazing. 6 p.m. na. And meron kami nakitang unidentified flying object. UFO daw. Pero hindi yan UFO. Parang dalawang ano lang sila. Dalawang aeroplano. Hindi traffic sa langit. Hindi traffic sa air. Alright. So we transferred here. Kasi ito may light.
Stuck in rain.
And again, papasalamat kami sa Diyos dahil kami ay by faith may room na.
Bigyan kami ng room.
Yeah. Good morning! It's Loretta! Good morning, Kongkong! Wala magtaga-Hawaii. Be, show me. Come here, show me.
Agi pa
Normally.
pa-exercise lang. May pa-ani ko yung exercise.
Dapat sila
Tanawa si Kongkong. How do kayo?
And sili.
Very good.
Ha? Wala man.
What about F?
Satan ba ito niya?
King, what about F? F. That's A. That's F. Awa ko yung like. Amo na siyang F. Mura siya. What about C?
Extra rice.
Sa down.
Ito lang. Extra rice.
Very good. Okay. Loves, we are here at the beach. Look at Kong Kong with the ukulele. And the beach is so beautiful. Okay? We're gonna play some. Here ka, te, here. Over here. Over here ka. Here, oh. Okay, go. Up ang ukulele. You like it? Sing ka daw. Come here. Wait, we're gonna eat first, huh? Come on. We're gonna eat first. Eat our breakfast. Alright, so this is our breakfast. Oops.
Papo, ano nila na? Tayo no, ikaw ang owner no. Kuhaning resort. Mondays, Tuesdays, walay ano.
My love, so we are having our breakfast here sa beach, beside the beach. So, ayan. O, diba?
Come on.
And I have corned beef and scrambled eggs and rice. And I have my coffee. So, yung coffee ko is Nescafe 3-in-1. Yes, Kong Kong. Kong Kong got the same. There you go. Actually, all of us got the same food. Ibang coffee lang. So, later we're gonna swim and we're gonna do some yakalele.
Ang layout mo.
And yun lang. So, we're gonna eat muna mga loves.
Hindi na lang hapon, maulit.
Hello! Good morning! What you doing? Wow! Oh! Yeah. Morning! Good morning, mga loves! Wait lang. So, this is the beach. Woohoo! Today is January 2, 2018, and we are still at the beach for our New Year celebration, mga loves. And I'm with Kung Kung. Kung! So, yun. The beach is very nice. Very serene, very calm today. Yeah, I will swim later. Let me go back to our table. So yan, ang ganda ng Islareta. Hey mga loves, we are still at the beach and we are waiting for our turn to go home. For later pa mga 3 p.m. So I'm with Kung Kung and she's actually doing some dance today. Look. Girl in the mirror. Hey! Itong makasaya.
Kamot lang, me.
Yeah? So we're still here at the beach. And ayan ang beach. Daming tao ngayon kasi today's January 2. Mas maraming tao kahapon, January 1. Ito na sinelebrate ang kanilang New Year. Just like us. Kung makasayaw ba? Little bit better. We're eating our spaghetti. Yeah. So we're eating our spaghetti. The one I cooked. Pagbahaw na siya, lamig siya. Spicy and creamy. I
love it.
Delicious. A minor first.
Okay, good afternoon. Kung kiso itong gusto mo sabay sa Andrew karong hapon na biyahe, kulangan na siya from passenger. Again, kung kiso gusto mo sabay sa Andrew.
Every time you and me, it's like we belong to